Hello everyone. Good day. Let's talk about some basics. The analysis does not always mean big data. The basic measures like mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3, IQR, minimum, maximum, range, and outliers. Or if we summarize the 5-point summary, it talks a lot about your data. These are strong and powerful measures which can visualize the pattern, which can visualize the normality and the details about the data set you have. How do we, if we talk about the mean, we talk about the median. If your mean and median are not very close to each other, it means there is a problem in the distribution of data, or the data is not normal. So your mean and median should be very close to each other, rather it should be equal to each other. The standard deviation is the deviation from the average. The variance is nothing but square of the standard deviation. The IQR, which is the interquartile range, which is Q3 minus Q1, gives you IQR. It talks about the dispersion of data above the median and below the median. Remember, this does not take the extreme values into picture, because we are talking about the median. If we talk about the minimum and maximum, this difference, which is the range, this talks about the dispersion of data in entirety. This also indicates the possible outliers on the left or on the right. And this is indicated by the measure range. But why are we talking about this? The moment you get a data, you must look at the basic measures and you must compare the mean with the median. This clearly indicates whether your data is normal or non-normal, or what treatment you require for this data set. If we talk about the IQR and range, when we look at the minimum maximum, as we said, it talks about the possibility of outliers or the variance. The IQR also talks about dispersion of data, but below and above the median. This also indicates your outliers on the lower side and the upper side. What happens if your mean is lower than median, or if it is on the left-hand side of the median? This means your data is skewed to the left. If your mean is higher than the median and is on the right-hand side of the median, your data is skewed to the right. And when we talk about the skewness of the data, it indicates the possibility of more outliers in that particular direction. So whenever we get data, we must look at these measures. We must try to analyze the initial part. The initial analysis of your data can be done using these 5 summary points. We'll talk more about this in our next video. Thank you so much for your time.